Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. Today, we expect a few scattered storms to affect our area, likely in the late morning to the afternoon hours. I still think many of us will get into the low 90s. Some of us, though, especially in the Tupelo area, only looking at the upper 80s today. Tupelo will get to 89, 88 in Boonville, Pontotoc, 87, 90 in Monroe County. In West Alabama, I've got 90 on the board for Vernon, 89 in Soldier, and 90 in Reform. And then down into Golden Triangle, more low 90s here, 93 in DeKalb, 94 in Macon, 91 Ackerman, 92 in Starkville. As far as our futurecast goes, in the late afternoon hours here, things really seem to pick up. Around 6 p.m., still expecting to see a few isolated to scattered storms here. Most of those seem to be along and south of US 82, but still we'll keep that chance area wide. By 8 or 9 p.m., they tend to fizzle off, and by 11 p.m., I think we're all dry. As far as for high school football goes tonight, I still think we're going to get those games in just fine for the most part. Maybe one or two of those games does get affected. We'll keep the chance for a shower really till about 8 p.m. or so, and we'll stay in the mid to low 80s throughout the evening. For tonight, then, dropping down to near 70, an isolated shower is expected and partly cloudy skies through the night. On our Saturday, then, a few more storms. I've upped the chances just a little bit from yesterday morning, but we'll stay hot and humid for sure on our Saturday. As far as for the games locally, Mississippi State hosting Stephen F. Austin. Still think we'll get that game in fine. Maybe a storm around kickoff time, but by halftime into the fourth quarter, looking at the upper 70s under a mostly clear sky. Then Ole Miss is on the road in Texas. Quite a few storms there expected in Houston, and Alabama is down in Orlando, seeing some showers and some thunderstorms expected there for Saturday as they take on the Louisville Cardinals. Futurecast shows that first wave of tropical moisture going off to the west there, and then the second wave right here is the one we'll have to watch here. In fact, as both of these little tropical waves come through the Gulf of Mexico, they're going to bring a lot of moisture with them. Saturday and Sunday, expecting a lot of moisture on the coast. This low off to the south and will likely be more of a early to midweek issue for us. The National Hurricane Center has put a 10% chance of development as it moves off, but it'll be over the next 5 days, so through maybe Tuesday, Wednesday is when we'll have to start looking for that particular system in the Gulf. Then way over on the other side of the Atlantic, as of 4 a.m. this morning, we still have Tropical Depression 6 off the coast of Africa. You can really see it's got a nice swirl in there, and that's a good sign that this thing will likely develop into Hurricane Florence sometime soon. In fact, the track of this does carry it off to the west, but I do think it's going to steer more north and not be an issue for mainland United States. As far as in our area, then, locally, we expect some showers and storms. If you've got beach plans in the weekend, though, looks like in Biloxi, Gulf Shores, Destin, really anywhere on the coast, going to be a soggy forecast. 7-day locally here, we're going to keep scattered storms Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, looking more for isolated storms. I've upped the chances Wednesday and Thursday just a tad as that tropical wave moves in our direction, but we'll have to keep our eyes on it.